Sanibonani, you guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. You guys, thank you so much for tuning into the channel. You guys, I'm trying to find the perfect name for the channel. So I know you guys it was chilling with Pilile, but you know what, I must just use the language that I'm using when it comes to when my videos you guys. So when it comes to the channel name, the language that I'm using to record my videos always ngasengizama anyways ukuthi iliphi igama elingathi lingcono to explain into engiyenzayo on the channel, something like that. I tried by all means to find a perfect name. I was like chilling with Pilile, blah blah blah, you know what, you guys, but ngicine sengibona ungcono ngithi umgosi noPhilile ngoba you guys yeah man, you know man, when it comes to trying to find a perfect channel name, let us just hope nizonamkela lelethi umgosi noPhilile ngoba izindaba umgosi whatever you can call it, but no Philile. All right, I think that is the better one, the one that I can just come up with. So please don't be confused when it comes to the channel name. Ama-titles ngiyacabanga ukuthi nama-titles mhlambe kangcono nawo ungafake isindebeleni into kanjalo guys. We will see mangabe mele sifake isingisi noma sifake isizulu noma sifake nike. You guys, you know me when it comes to languages, ngikhuluma noma yini engiyifunayo, kodwa ke ngizozama ukuthi kube isindebele lana, but makhona isilungu nakhona kukhona ezinye inkulumo ningamseni khali kakhulukazi laba abakhala bethi hey ngumzulu onjani, hey ngumzulu otheni, isizulu sitheni, isijulu sitshekile. You know what you guys, akusona isizulu lesikuba isindebele ke, kodwa ke ngoba vele ngumuntu ophile eSouth Africa isizulu sikhona la ekhaya. So wena ungumzulu bese lokhu niyaqhubeka niyagxeka hey isizulu, angisho everybody you guys, but those who find difficulties in understanding ukuthi mina ngumndebele and isindebele nesizulu kuyinto ehambisanayo, I see some of them ngathi bahlushwa yilento abathi tribalism yabahlukumeza kakhulu, bese ngibaba khona kuma comment section bayakhala ngokuthi hey Yazulu is not make sure, Yazulu is not make sure. You know what you guys, but anyways you guys, thank you so much for your love and support. Kule video ke sizokhuluma ngalaba you guys ababanjiwe when it comes to kubulawa ka aka no Tips Motswane. You guys kuthiwa ke ukhuna ngizizathu laphana zokufuna kwebail ke when it comes to laba you guys abasolo abahlanu. Siyazi ukukhona abasase eSwatini and into you guys kuthiwa ke bagcizelele izizathu ezehlukene zokuthi kungani kufanele badedeleke ngebail. Laba abasolo ke ecala into kubulawa kobuculu Khinan aka Forbes nomngani wakhe uDibelo Tips Motswane ke kusho ukuthi this was the bail hearing into kanjalo you guys. So ke laba abasolo abahlanu umnumzana uLindo Kuhle Thabani Mkhwanazi no Lindani Zenzele Ndimande uSiyanda Edimieza Nguzwethemba Havi Gwabeni noLindo Kuhle Lindo Ndimande bebevele ngolwesine ke enkantolo lemanje lapha ngaseThekwini. So ukuthi abameli babo bebenza izethulo zokugcina njengoba ke kuqhubeka kulalelwa kwesicelo sebail. Umelo omsolo wesibili uNdimande Advocate Walmarans uthe yena, or is it Volmaras or is it Walmaras, I do not know guys, uthe akufanele ukuthi kubekwe isizathu sokuthi umsolo angeqa aye kwelinye izwe bube bungeke ubufakazi obusekela lokho, and then ibail akufanele inqatshwe ngoba nako amaphoyisa athi kunobungozi. So abukho ubufakazi obukhombisa ukuthi angabaleka, ngakho akwanele ukuthi kuthiwe uzobaleka kusho ke lapha uVolmaras, I think it's Volmaras or Valmaras, I don't know how to pronounce that one. So okay you guys, uthe ngesikhathi uNdimande eboshwa yathatha ipassport yakhe you guys. So ummeli kaGwabeni Advocate Paul Johansen uthe ikhasimende lakhe ke alikuphiki ukuthi kwafa ku800,000 rand ebhange lalo, wathi angasho angahlonisi futhi ukuthi kwakungokwebhizinisi you guys, njengoba sezi ukuthi wathi 800,000 le yasolwa ngayo ukuthi kuthiwa wayi receiver wayo share nabanye kuthiwa ngoba kwakungokubulaka aka wathi yena cha kwakuyindaba zamabhizinisi wakhe you guys. Ujonja Thombuso unazo izindlela zokulandelela ukufaka kwemali ukuze uzanelise imali wayithola enkampani ehloniphekile. Kusho ke lapha uJohansen uqhube wathi isizathu esidala ukuthi umnumzana uFundo Gcaba ukuthiwa inkampani yakhe eyafaka imali yona inkampani yakhe baba uGcaba lapha ukuthiwa yafaka imali ku baba uGwabeni into ekanjalo kazi angaboshwa ingoba abukho ubufakazi obuphathekayo ke obumiyamanisa naleli cala you guys udaba lukaGcaba kwathiwa akubufakazi obenele ukuthi uGcaba wafaka leyo mali njengoba wayethi akubulawo aka no tips you guys ke into ekanjalo so kwathiwa ngeke azabosho ngofakazi abukho enough into ekanjalo so ichaza ngemoti BMW okuthiwa yayilokhu ilandelwe aka kusuke esikhumulweni sezindiza uthe yayiqashela izinto ezihlangene nomsebenzi ke kwase kunesikhathi ke iqashiwe leyo moto okunye futhi okungavezi ukuthi zikhona ezinye imoto eziningi aziqasha ngaphambi kwalokho you guys so imanje umnumzane Vincent Hlatshwayo ilihlehlisile ke icala uthe ukuze umbuso wenze izithulo zawo zokugcina you guys when it comes to these 5 guys and their bail hearing ikhona lokho enginakho you guys engikutholayo when it comes to the accused when it comes to the killing of aka Notibelo Tips Motswane into ekanjalo you guys sekulokhu you guys kulindwe nalaba kuthi beSwatini you guys abangakabuye okubonakala ngathi abafuna ukubuya according to me ngibona ngathi nje bangathi ba comfortable ngale besaba ukuza ngapha you guys I think they do not want to deal with the steps into ekanjalo but ke the 5 bebe ne bail hearing you guys khona umsebenzi omningi osenziwa you guys when it comes to this one angazi ukuze kuthini sizoloku silandelene and then ngizona update ukuthi what is happening when it comes to laba ngo5 you guys excluding those 2 nabo makungabe kukhona ku double khona about ukuthi bezanini kwenzakalana ngale ngaseSwatini then I will continue updating you guys when it comes to those so nyabonga kakhulu ukuthi imamele le video i-like uyishare futhi ungakhona ukuthi subscribe njalo mangabe ka subscribe khumbula igama lethu elisha leshane lithi Mgosi Nophilile you guys angisafuna ukuphinde ngilishintshe ke leni ngicabanga ukuthi ileli right kakhulu kazo lethele izindaba noMgosi ngakho konke enikudingayo kule channel so please subscribe ukuze uhlale la ungaphutheli izindaba ungaphuthele you guys I'll make sure I'm consistent ngingahlala isikhathi esithi nga-uploadile so mangabe usubscribe banga ku that site on my other channel Philile Bablos Entertainment please ngisacela uye ngale nakhona ufike usubscribe sinayo enye channel that is monetized lena ke we are working very hard to make sure say monetize siyazi ukuthi ngama subscribers sesi right asisho ukuthi ungasubscribe sithi sesifikile kulama subscribers afuneka ukuthi singayimonetize le channel kodwa I guess isashota ke ngayo iWH which is watch hour so ngangisiza kakhulu ukuthi nivubuke ama videos from eqaleni afike kugcineni ukuze sikwazi ukuthola ke lelo wash hour ukuze sigcine sesimonetizile ke le channel asikayi monetize but as to Philile Bablos Entertainment yenza kahle you guys imonetize isebenza kahle ngiyabonga kakhulu for support yenu ungakhohlwa ukusubscribe ulike ushare bese siphinda sibonana futhi ku video elandelayo bye